please. Grandma sent you something.
Present.
A present?
Present.
There's a present in there?
Present.
Here, this is garbage, Lucy. Don't worry about that. Here, what is that? Open that up. Open that bag up. What's in there?
Oh. A Chinese book. A Chinese.
Chinese? Who is that?
Bag.
Who is that?
Who's on that bag?
Cayenne. Cayenne.
What did you get?
Cayenne.
What is that?
Cayenne.
Who got that for you?
Cayenne.
Who bought that for you?
Did Grandma send it?
I see it.
Did Grandma Kay send you a Kylan bag?
Here, what else is in there?
She's looking in her bag. Look and see what's in there.
Present.
Presents?
Oh.
She's trying to get in her bag. What's in there? Open it up. Let Daddy help you.
Lucy.
Lucy. Lucy cat. Lucy cat. No.
Who's that?
Mickey Mouse.
Who else is that?
Princess.
Princess?
How about this one? How about this one?
What did you get?
The end.
The end?
What else is in there?
What else is in your box?
She's done with the bag. Now she's going on to something else.
Something else.
What is it now, Lucy? What is it? Say thank you, Grandma. Oh, Grandma.
Tell Grandma thank you for your bag.
Say thank you, Grandma.
It's open.
Oh, 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 oh.
Dress shirt.
What did you get?
Oh, it's nice.
It's nice.
Cayenne.
Is that a Kylan shirt?
How about this one? It's color.
What did you get?
Cayenne.
Oh, boy, is that nice, Lucy?
Wow.
3 shirts.
You better tell Grandma thank you on the
Oh,
phone.
what's that?
Oh,
What's that?
A bit. Present.
Oh, what is that, Lucy? What is it?
what did you get?
Cayenne.
Crayons. What else is in there, Lucy?
Apple.
What else is in there?
The
The end. Look what else is in that bag, Lucy.
What's in here?
That. Oh. The Chinese.
Chinese?
The Chinese. I got it.
What is that?
Cayenne.
Opening her dolly now. Oh, Lucy, what is
What
that?
did you get?
Cayenne.
Oh, boy. Give her a hug, Lucy.
You gonna give her a hug?
No.
No.
I want that.
Okay, come and tell Grandma thank you. Say, Grandma, thank you for sending me the prizes.
Tell Grandma.
Tell Grandma thank you, Lucy.